Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to continue our 4th lesson, that is formatting a web page. In that lesson, first you learn how to format a web page with the help of bold, italic, underline and strike through. Now we are going to learn next formatting options like a superscript, subscript, font size and color and image. So let I explain to you what is a superscript. The superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnotes like www. To display text as superscript, the open tag SUP and close tag SUP is used. For example, to display a square plus b square equals to c square, the following tag has to be written: A open tag SUP to close tag SUP plus B open tags SUP to close tag SUP equals to C open tag SUP to close tag SUP. Understood, students? This is the syntax of superscript tag. Now the following windows shows to you HTML code for superscript. Let I explain to you. Can you see in that window? First you have to open HTML tag, then second head tag, third to open title tag and close the title tag, next close the head tag, then open the body tag. In that you have to type this is open tag SUP superscript closed SUP tag text comma open BR tag example A SUP to close SUP tag plus B SUP to close SUP tag equals to C SUP to close SUP tag, then close body and last one close HTML tag. Okay, student, understood how to write the HTML tag for superscript. Now look at this window. When you display the web page, in that you can see like this superscript tag. Can you see? Okay, students. Now next, subscript. The subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. To display text as subscript, the open tag SUB and close tag SUB is used. For example, to display 2H2 plus O2 equals to 2H2O, the following tag has to be written. 2H open tag SUB, 2 close tag SUB plus O open tag SUB, 2 close tag SUB equals to 2H open tag SUB, 2 close tag SUB O. Okay students, understood the path how to write subscript tags? Now following windows displays the HTML coding for subscript. Can you see? First, as usual, HTML to open HTML. Second, head. Third, title. Then close title tags. Closed head tags. Open body tags. This is a open SUB, subscript, close SUB, text. Then break tags. Example, to H open tag SUB, to close tag SUB plus O open tag SUB, to close tag SUB equals to 2H open tag SUB, to close SUB O. After that, close the body tags and last one, close the HTML. Okay students, do you know how to write the HTML code for the subscript? When you give this coding, then how your web page will be look like? The following window, can you see? This way your page will come on your screen. Can you see? Okay. Now students, next, formatting, font size and color. The size of text with the font tag using the size attribute. The size attribute specifies how large a font will be displayed in either relative or absolute term. Okay students, the default font size is 3 and the largest font size that can be displayed in a browser is 7. Okay, understood? Color. The color attribute is used to specify the text color inside the font. Okay students, to change the font size, the font size equals to question mark tag is used. The question mark can be any number. Example, in tag font size equals to 7. Tag close will display the font in 7-point font size. You can also change the font color by using the font color tag. For example, in tag font color equals to inverted comma red, inverted comma complete, tag close will display the font in red. Now the following window you can see the HTML code for font size and color. Let us see. As usual, first tag HTML, second head, third title, then close the title tag, then close the head tag, open the body tag, open the font face equals to Arial size 20, color equals to red, close the tag. This text is in Arial font, break tag 20 points font size and break red, font tag close, close the body tag, close the HTML window. Okay, these are the coding to use, give font size and color to your web page. After that, how your web page is look like. Now, can you see the next window? Can you see the result? The font has come in a Arial font and color is changed. Color comes in a red color. Okay, students? This way you can change the font size and color to your web page font. Okay, now next, font face. Font face means different handwriting styles. Okay, so you can give different font styles to your font. To display a piece of text in a particular font, the font face tag is used. For example, font face tag equals to Arial. Okay, students, means this way you can give any font style to your text. Now, can you see the window? In that window, I have shown to you the font face tags. How to give font face tags. First, to open HTML tag. Second, to open head tag. Third, open title tag and close title tag. Then next, close head tag, open body tag. Then again open font face equals to inverted comma Arial inverted comma complete and tag complete. This text is displayed in Arial font. Font tag closed. Close the body tag and close the HTML document. Okay, students, understood how to give font face tag to your web page? With the help of this, you can format your web page. Now, can you see this window? In that window, you will get the result of that font face tag. Can you see? This text is displayed in a Arial font. This way, you can give different handwriting font style to decorate or format to your web page. Next, image. The images that appears on the web page are called inline images. The open image tag and the close image tag element allows you to insert an image. You must provide the path, location or complete URL of the image. You can also choose left, right, top, bottom or middle alignment for the images. For example, can you see? This is the example of images tag. Open tag img src and next the link of image tag. Now next, window. In that window, I have shown to you the image tags. First, HTML tag. Second, to open head tag. Third, to open title and then again close title tag. Next, close head tag. Then open body tag. Open H2 align equals to center. Okay. Font color equals to 000FF. The world. Close H2. H2 means, do you know H2? What is the H2? Headings. Okay, we learn the headings 1 to 6. Then close font. Again open img src. It is a tag for, it is a coding for image tag. Then copy this image link. Close the body tag and close the HTML. Okay students, this is the image tag. Understood students? Now next window, you can see the web page, the world and the map of world. This way your page will be displayed. With the help of image tag, you can insert the world map or any type of images on your web page. Understood students? This way you can format your web page with the help of these options. Okay students, hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Be safe.